the following counties in Florida: coastal Dixie and coastal Taylor.
Holy shit, I just caught a storm surge warning!
A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following counties: Brooks, Georgia. Tropical storm watch in effect. West, southwest winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts up to 55.
Holy shit, what did I just catch?
7 feet. Where coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. When tropical storm force winds possible from Tuesday evening until Wednesday afternoon. Tropical storm warning in effect. West, southwest winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 55 knots and seas 5 to 7 feet. Where Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When tropical storm force winds possible from Tuesday evening until Wednesday afternoon. Impact. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions.
That's a rare catch on this thing. 6 hours and 1 minute.
Or secure the vessel for severe conditions.
Defender that one-shotted you, right? I have that.
Holy!
The coastal waters forecast for the following: Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha.
I am in complete shock.
From Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola.
Not even 10 minutes after they issue the storm surge warning, they issue a tropical storm warning.
Bucks, you can make your base just look entirely Christmas.
Didn't even know that existed.
I get the Halloween one, but I don't want to have to spend. I don't want to.
I knew it!
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties in Florida: Dixie and Taylor. Tropical storm warning in
Whoa!
effect. West, southwest winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 50.
What the frick?
Remains in effect, and a tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties in Florida: coastal Jefferson and coastal Wakulla.
Hurry up! I'm tropical storm warning!
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded.
The tropical storm warning!
Storm warning for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson and Madison.
Tropical storm warning! They just issued it!
A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following.
Hurricane warning! Hurricane warning! Hurricane warning!
Hurricane warning in effect. West, southwest wind 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 60 knots and seas 5
Whoa!
to 8 feet. Where coastal waters from Swampy River to
7-hour warning!
20 nautical miles and waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical
Solomon, I
miles.
hate you! You jinxed the hurricane warning!
Tropical storm force winds possible from early Wednesday morning until Wednesday afternoon. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce
At least this
visibility.
thing went off.
Mariners
once.
should remain in port, alter course, and or secure the vessel for extreme.
Holy crap!
Tropical storm warning remains.
Whoa!
West.
Whoa!
Southwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 60 knots and seas 5 to 7 feet. Where Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out.
I didn't even get a chance to catch where it was for.
tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties in Georgia: Brooks, Lanier, and Lowndes. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. West, southwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 60 knots and seas 5 to 7 feet. Where? Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Appalachia, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from... The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Appalachia, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles east of Buckeye Reef, moving northwest at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours.
I just destroyed the F-100.
Life jacket. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has...
You didn't expand anything! You did not expand anything!
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties in Georgia: Brooks, Lanier, and Lowndes.
Since when? You did not upgrade anything!
Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 60 knots.
You did not upgrade anything!
Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles.
You did not upgrade anything. I searched and looked through IMBot like 10 times. And went through all bot stock. You did not upgrade anything. Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Dixie County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in the last 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tallahassee, Cross City, Horseshoe Point, Horseshoe Beach, Jonesboro, Gina, Hines, Caddo, Shamrock, and Clara. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and
Is
do
this a
not
30-minute
drive
warning or
on
a
flooded
4-hour
roads.
and 30-minute warning?
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time
261
for
says
the
it's a
following
30-minute
counties:
warning.
Taylor, Florida.
What do you say? 6 hours.
You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH2 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates.
Oh, she forgot actually went off.
The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast. Tropical storm warning in effect. Hurricane warning is canceled. West, southwest winds 35 to 50 knots with gusts up to 65 knots and seas 5 to 8 feet. Where? Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
You don't serve Dixie
When?
County.
Tropical storm force winds possible for the next few hours. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Mariners should also plan to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. The coastal waters forecast for the following. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out to 20 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach 20 to 60 nautical miles. And waters from Mexico Beach.
Okay, something amazing happened. If we go out here, look at that. That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, northeastern Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the
Why
last
do you
1
keep
hour.
doing this?
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and
someone doesn't
underpasses,
like the
as well as
ESP.
other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Hold on.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Perry, Madison, Lee, Smith, Townsend, Day, Sim Holloway, Buckville, Foley, Mayo Junction, Boyd, Chansey, Hopewell, Bussell Junction, Perry Foley Airport, Secondton, Pinland, Avena, and Hampton Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most
Okay, well,
flood deaths
that's
occur in
says
vehicles.
Don Tidra.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Madison and Taylor. A storm surge warning remains in effect.
No, before you can beep.
In effect for the following counties in Florida, coastal Dixie and coastal Taylor.
Frick.
The coastal waters forecast for the following: Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach.
Oh. Flash flood warning! Again!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Brooks County in Georgia, southwestern Lowndes County in Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:43
Imagine
p.m.
the 261 hating a computer.
Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of
Imagine
rain
the
have fallen in the
WX500
last
hating
1
the
hour.
computer.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
I honestly
urban
thought the
areas,
computer would
highways,
knock out most of the
streets, and
signal.
underpasses, as well
I
as
was
other
wrong.
poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Park, Madison, Valdosta, Dasher, Fonetta, Clientesville, Cherry Lake, Henson,
Imagine if you
Nugget,
double header with the
I-75
high
at
one
exit
warning.
11,
Just kidding.
I-75 at exit 5, Kimberloo, Twin Lakes, Valdosta Regional Airport, and Hamburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Madison, Florida, and Brooks, Georgia. Office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be
What is on?
calling our automated forecast line at 850-942-8851. A storm surge.
And Rig poop at the same time. They just issued another flash flood warning. Be prepared. Wait.
Where's that flash flood warning?
4:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain bands from.
Where's? Here we go. Five-hour warning.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berrien County in Georgia, northeastern Brooks County in Georgia.
What the hell? I heard you go
southeastern
off.
Cook County in Georgia, Lanier County in Georgia, northern Lowndes County in Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the last 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Valdosta, Lakeland, Adel, Hayhira, Sparks, Ray City, Moody Air Force Base, I-75 at exit 16, Remerton, Meigs, Cecil, Barretts, New Lois, Allenville, Teeterville, I-75 at exit 29, I-75 at exit 22, Hensel, Baylor, and Courthouse. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Brooks, Georgia. You are listening to North.
Imagine having a dying 259.
In Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast line at 850-942-8851. A storm surge river entrance. High 2:50 a.m., low 7:35 a.m., high 1:33 p.m., low 8. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-blizzard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test
so
of
there
the
totally
NOAA
weren't like a
radio
million
warning alarm
fails.
and emergency alert system for the entire county morning area service by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. Type information for Thursday, July 8th, 2021. St. Mark's River entrance. High 2:50 a.m. Low 7:35 a.m. High 1:33 p.m. Low 8:59 p.m.
I forgot about that. Marshall Cat has 2 awakenings.
Low 9:11 a.m. High 1:56.
Marshall Cat has a second awakening.